Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of slow cooking with the Gourmia Slow Cooker featuring a 6-quart removable ceramic pot. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Gourmia Slow Cooker? This is a family-sized kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking experience both easy and enjoyable. With its spacious 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for serving 7 or more people, making it an ideal choice for family gatherings, meal prep, or simply satisfying your cravings for hearty soups, stews, chili, roasts, and dips. One of the standout features of this slow cooker is its easy-to-use manual controls. It offers 3 temperature settings: low, high, and warm. This simplicity means anyone can operate it without the hassle of complicated programming. Just dial in your desired setting, and you're good to go. The Gourmia Slow Cooker is designed for those who appreciate delicious meals with minimal effort. You can simply add your ingredients, set the temperature, and let the appliance do its magic. This slow cooking method allows flavors to develop beautifully, resulting in tender and flavorful dishes that will impress your family and friends. Another great feature is the removable ceramic pot. This ergonomic design not only allows for easy serving but also ensures even heating. The ceramic material distributes heat gently, which means you can expect consistent cooking results across a variety of recipes. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The tempered glass lid lets you keep an eye on your meals without losing heat, ensuring everything cooks perfectly. So, who is this slow cooker suitable for? If you're someone who loves to prepare home-cooked meals but has a busy schedule, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also ideal for families looking to enjoy hearty meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the Gourmia Slow Cooker caters to all skill levels. Practical use cases for this slow cooker are numerous. Imagine coming home after a long day to the delightful aroma of a homemade chili waiting for you. Or picture a cozy weekend with friends, where you can set up a delicious dip right before the gathering, allowing you to enjoy time with your guests instead of being stuck in the kitchen. It's also an